praise the Lord.
Everybody! Yo. Well,
we not apologize.
What? No,
we not apologize. No.
I can't fancy cat, you ring. I can't fancy
no,
cat.
we not apologize. Yo.
Listen, hold on. I can't fancy cat. You owe Brian and Tony Gold an apology.
Did Bruce apologize?
What? No. Who you talking about? Bruce Gold, the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, or the Prime Minister.
Hold on. Give me a second. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me consult my lawyer. Let me think about that carefully. Can I get back to you on that one?
Who is talking to me? Ian Ellis or IT? Ian Ellis or IT?
Who is talking to me? Okay. Dr. Kingston or Raga?
No. What talk to the man who not going to try it?
Hey, yo, people. I don't miss it. If I miss it, I hear about it. Call back.
Me say me not try it. Me not going to try it. So me someone who call you see there and say, Raga, you for try the game thing. Me not try it. Me can't take a slap in my thing right now.
Raga, me try it.
Not
me try the cake soup. Me try the cake soup. Oh, okay. No, someone going to come here and say me try. I try the cake soup.
Yeah, because serious with the cake soup though. We have to be careful because we travel to Portmore.
Yeah.
But God, you think that, it's the boss over there say,
Yeah. People think I didn't live at Portmore. I didn't live at Portmore.
No, I didn't live at Portmore.
I did not live at Portmore.
No, but
I'm originating from
that is not the point, though.
Can't you the man talk about cake soup?
If you violate, you still can't want to the part of Portmore.
Big up Popcorn.
Yeah, big up Portmore Empire.
Big up the Empire. Big up Sean Star.
No, I don't owe Brian and Tony Gold an apology.
All right, I'm going to break it down. You say one hit wonder is when you sing a tune.
Yeah.
Where it's a hit.
Yeah.
Hanging out with other people and for them, it is not your tune. Not your tune.
No, you can't.
Don't qualify. That's not your tune. You can't harmonize all that tune for me and it turn it. But at the end of the day, I'm going to say, fancy your tune. Yeah.
No,
you know what I'm saying?
My father harmonized for Alton tune.
That's right. I will never say.
I don't know. You know my father?
No, but it's not.
You know,
I know your father.
No, you don't know my father.
You're a big artist, but what may I say?
Bullseye?
No, what may I say?
Play.
We not apologize.
Harmonize is different.
Oh, hold on. German finance it.
You find another hit?
Play that. Me say.
Me create a Brian and Tony Gold. No, Jamaican don't on the right, so Jamaican. All right, listen up. Now, hold on. No, turn on the microphone. Hold on there. I think the private crack.
Cause you're so lovable, huggable, touchable. It's you that I need right now.
Boy, I understand our show reaching a Raga show.
No, Johnny, look here. I don't apologize already in the song. You apologize the bullseye.
No.
Johnny engineered that. Because Johnny didn't drive the taxi.
No.
And when I sing, Johnny put a company screen.
No, hold on. What may I say?
Yeah.
Gentlemen, be men.
We're big people.
Hold on, be real men.
All right.
Don't matter give it a little people my friend. Let us hear a full apology. Let us hear a full apology to Brian and Tony Gold. And we don't want to hear it from IT. I don't hear it from Ian Ellis. We don't want to hear it from Fancy Cat. I don't hear it from Alton Hardware. So the four of you know.
You are Brian and Tony.
Yeah, Brian.
You see, two I and I fancy work together.
Easy.
We understand how the I and I, Tony, work together still.
You see me?
Yeah.
My mistake. I just think that Can You was the only it. So on national radio, me I tell you nationwide style, say, my fellow Jamaicans.
We apologize. We take back what we
Brian
said.
and Tony Gold.
But I have to leave with this.
Yeah.
I have to leave with this.
Hold on.
And no fun ever realize it now. Ragashanti have won it. Dear mama, remember that.
It never it good enough because people never know it.
Yo, I tell Fancy. Yo, I just want to know, do. Say me and Brian, me not lie, me and Brian was best friend when we had a pitney, I got East Queen Street Baptist Church, and we used to go in our vestry and tea for the grape juice for them used to communion.
Yeah.
And things up, big up Brian and things up. And big up Jeremy King because Jeremy defended wicked for Brian
big
and Tony
time.
Gold. But I like
so,
Jeremy defended wicked. When we come in the war, did almost.
What the war, I tell us a backlash store like Trump now.
Yeah, be a thing that one. So Jeremy King, now worry yourself. You defended Brian and Tony Gold. Not one it one.
And that was our last word.
Well, and I IT and fancy cat. I don't know about the hype because I just stand there alone. I want it right now.
Well, and that was our last word.
What stand there? And
that was our last word. Raga, this is my last word. Try it.
Yo, I'm not trying it. But I'm not trying. So now the idea for to get the turn there. Turn him.
Now fear no test, no brain, no order. Me not let in nobody. Me don't not the gate. The police them out there, so stay there and wait. Turn there. You hear? Turn there.
What am I saying? Everywhere me want me hear the yellow fan there. Everywhere me pass me hear the man them fan there. Even the bikini a ball fan there. Read the announcer them say fan there. Why see a mate to them say fan there. Even the DJ them say fan there. Should I hear the Prime Minister fan there. All Raga him can go and tan there. Mr. Mixup and Blenda tan there. Man they put in at the blender and dash away. Tan there. Let's get to the fluffy diva. She said tan there. She dash where man no dash she way. But if they're not financially ready. Say tan there. Everywhere me want me hear the yellow tan there. Everywhere me pass me hear the man them tan there. Even little bikini a ball tan there. Read the announcer them say tan there. Why see a mate to them say tan there. Even the DJ them say tan there. The Prime Minister.
Mr. Boss, Mr. Big, Mr. Man. Don't set the rule and we agree on the plan. Stick up in all your thought, freeze your intention. No mention your tension, just hold your position. Who in up, stay in up, who out up, stay out. Make we say it again, but this time we go short. It's a comedy flow when everybody don't know. Originate fan, I can fancy get shot.
Everywhere me want me hear the yellow fan. Everywhere me pass me hear the man fan. Even me come to the yellow fan.
This is not fun, I make the whole world know. So from a gal up to date with them, pour them.
Me not try it. Yo, somebody call and say, yo, a big debate on the road. Yo, me call a break. A big debate on the road. Because some people say are true. And some people say are not true. Me believe say are not true. See, a man called today and say, Raga, a prison the man a call from. And that's it I said to Richie. Him say a prison, the man say a prison the man a call from. Him say him know for a fact, say a prison the man a call from. And I make you know say him in the thing right now. And that's why I say him couldn't tell me where him a call from and all him something that cause a prison. And you don't know them pressure them because them not for them on the phone. Hence the whole thing say him a borrow somebody for next man phone and all them thing there. Why I don't even know about me not try it. Why will I read for soon for?
Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Come pick up the man along this time.
Alright, Chris, guys, stop it right there, so. Because a old school Thursday, yeah, come in with Stoller. Where the backside them know about Stoller back in them days, Where the backside dancehall know about Stoller back in them days, Well, Chris Grass, you know, say you have some business we have to take care of right now. So don't worry yourself, I'm going to go and wallet and thing. But yo, IT and Fancy Cat. IT and Fancy Cat to talk about Brian and Tony Gold. I want it wonder. I'm have to defend it and sitting. Somebody just send in something and say, uno two people know say me always say Louis Culture my DJ. People know that. Me said, uno know somebody, anybody that listen to the show, uno know somebody say, no disrespect to the nowadays DJ them and thing, ratings and thing, but in terms of overall, me say Louis Culture and my DJ. Louis Culture good like that. Mad. For many reasons which we can't elaborate upon in our future. But I was shocked just now, Richie. Somebody send me something and say, IT and Fancy Cat, this is Louis Culture is a one it wonder too. No, me not believe it. Me not believe it. Me not believe say anybody could have sent in something. So IT and Fancy Cat could have said Louis Culture one it wonder with Gangali. Me not believe that. Because everybody know Gangali. But we all know that you education, inspiration. Because you know, say you not depend on man. Sing the I note now.
I just excellent.
Excellence and quality of pass. Just get the body and no matter what. And all them tune a Louis culture. I want to ITM fancy cat. I must mad on a madman. I must mad on a man. Nothing can go some man a wicked and a most wicked. And you want to say? Eh? Eh?
Not Louis culture.
Which one?
Papita.
Yeah, man. Gang, I must wait name there. I two tune him all up on the rhythm too.
Yeah, man.
I've been through hills and valleys. I survive out of the old gangster alleys. Enough gunshot to make me skip and dally. When you think me dead back in the juggling, me rally, me hold a man pop it up. Bogus badge my rip off and thing. A crazy tune. I tell Fancy get a one out of this and this me artist. This and this Louis culture. I war with the white up in the nationwide up in there. On the down make me get bringle up in this, you know. I tell Fancy cat. Who Louis culture and apology to anyone that said that. That the people I must say. But big up Whitey and Fancy cat still, you don't know. Everything is everything. Tan dede. How we say entertainment. You know, we think shot that way. This week we have Biggie online. And what we're going to do now, all this thing, weird. Let's have it. We want to know, say, Tantan and Kedisha, them back out to them run from the thing. Them low up the thing. Tantan and Kedisha back. I'm telling them for them, you know. Facebook bad girl, let me know. Facebook bad girl, let me know. Okay, give them a microphone and them not there, you know. Some of them love to talk about Boston in the place. All right. Give them a microphone. And the next set I say, Antigua in the building, all right. Girls, I'm going to say, me say popcorn, and I don't even a 5-minute popcorn in the microwave. A good popcorn. Hey, give them a microphone. Meow. Anyway, large up. So we're going to feature Biggie right up. Well, I'm bringing the other caller, though. Bring the other caller. I'm going to hear which side the other caller going to defend. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, greetings, Raga.
All right. You want to give me a name where we can work with, or you just want to joke?
After me finish.
Eh?
After me finish, you make the name.
Okay, after you finish me. Oh, love them talk there. Okay, so which side you going to defend? Because you defend any side you want to defend, I make Biggie defend the other side. Which side you going to defend?
Definitely wife.
You're going to defend the wife. You're going to talk up the things them for the wife, them to the right?
Yeah, man.
Okay, bring in Biggie now. Biggie. Biggie, what happened? Well, I can't hear your voice, and I don't know if you're under your bed, you know, then push you off a mattress and stay under bed. Ruthie, I can't hardly hear Biggie, you know.
It pay for cash.
Well, me just hear you know. All right, then, Biggie, the contestant has taken the side of the wife, so you have to hold the side.
Somebody don't take the mate already, because Michelle Lady take the wife.
Okay, Michelle Lady that run in for the wife. All right, then, Biggie, you say mate. Okay, I defend the mate side.
Me first.
Okay, who first?
Me.
No, man, make
no, Raga.
What?
It sound like an interesting debate. I want to go first.
You want? No, all right. Me ask that. All right. Contestant defending the wife. I'm going to make Biggie go first, here?
Yeah, man.
All right, Biggie. Okay. Let's get ready to rumble. Get to the theater. And today we feature the reigning champion, Biggie from Jewsland, who living at the Jewsland mansion, who living at Jewsland laundromat, defending the mate them Ray. And then on the other side, we have a caller defending the wife. Okay, to kick it off now, Biggie, let's hear you.
Raga, first thing.
Yeah.
The rough life of the ghetto school dictionary defines wife Raga as a woman where a man give a ring in front of one bag of people where they go leave an impression on her finger and keep her under band she's ready for go. Raga, it defines the mate now as a significant other to the man we catch up with the wife for short pan Raga cause no for the woman them not clean after them get the ring Raga, them sex life get boring Raga, the man not comfortable no more. Raga, the mate, you know, when she get the ring, she don't want to go in the back and watch the jeans with her hand. Raga, remember the man walk for the jeans, you know, Raga. The wife not do it, you know, so the mate know she go do it. The mate, she cook up look a sandwich, the man name Sunday, Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Sunday, when they cut rice and peas, some Sunday, it lasts the whole week. Raga, the mate, she go all out, she go buy the snapper, don't I told you, when they say 450, she not buy the Undertaker snapper, and Raga, she go buy the one to come out for the steam.
She not buy the embalmed one.
No, not the Undertaker one, where you try it as a reach the bus, it stink. Raga, the mate, she go buy the good $450 pound snapper, Raga, so when she steam that snapper there and give the man, then the wife not have time for that. Raga, be a fry up saltfish, Raga, she just cook it in the work time, fry it up. No, the man not get no good fish. Raga, the mate tell her need the flour with her, and she now use a spoon, Raga. So the man I get good things. Raga, can remember say the mate I work for take over the man. Remember the wife don't say she as a man, so she now work now if forget the man. She now work for elevate. Raga, you have some of them want to tell us say them a career, wifey, and them have them career. Raga, if them a career, wifey, Raga, that means them have to put halfway of the bill, the utility bill. Raga, the husband only pay the utility bills because him use it, and therefore him have to pay because him don't want to flap out there. So while him not live at the mate yet, but him have to contribute to grocery, him have to contribute to the bills, plus him have to contribute to the food. Raga, if wifey I get 20,000, mate add up to 50,000. The man even get 30,000 one time. Raga, him carry KFC, and carry go look at openings on the beach, it add up to the 50 grand she get for the month.
All right, well, I don't know. Make we hear the wife chip in right now. Call her. You have to shut it for the wife right now. Because big you going like she lecture you. Shut it for the wife them right now, call her.
All right, first of all, wifey a pedigree, matey a mongrel. Biggie I say, wife no know if you cook or what, but tell Biggie. Wifey a whole broom, we know we corner. Matey a new broom, but a true miggle. Wifey wear original and brand. Matey wear knockoff, firebone and back down. Bend down. Matey have to bend down. While wife stand up and picture her husband. Wifey sit in a front seat. Matey have to sit a back and duck. When time she see wife apart. Wifey, we deal with love, romance, caring. So husband happy come back home. Matey a whoop whop slam bam.
Well, the wife.
If you're tired they done, you take off and dash away.
Well, stop right there, so. Stop right there, so. Stop right there, so. No, sir. Biggie, you bet don't Biggie, you have a box. Biggie, answer.
Raga, first thing.
Talking iPhone, man.
Me a talking on the phone.
No,
Raga, first thing when you say, wife, matey can't cook.
No, well, I talk to her, talk to her, she hear.
First thing when you say, mate have a duck in a back seat. Raga, when mate driving a car, mate put pan dashboard, because mate a car ornament. Raga, me don't know if wife is the interior decorator, but she's not the ornament, so the mate cock up on dashboard. Raga, when she was talk about car wheel burn off, Raga, when car wheel burn off, she don't know the man not sweat Raga and spend all of the money for carry it and bring it back, Raga. So that means that the man a carry mate. Raga, when you say, wife who wear original, she never hear the woman call and say why she get the wife because the wife come like all clothes government. Raga, when man go find man not send money come give wife because wife have a CIA. Raga, mate go Western, Raga FedEx, all boat. Raga. So I tell about wife. Raga.
Phone.
And the phone me a talking now.
Yes, talking right.
Yeah. When she talk about what wife do, what wife no do. Raga, missionary style done, and that's why all of them man get liquid. Raga, no missionary style kind of Christian thing now run. Raga, man want good style. No missionary can every husband a Christian. Raga. So when she go talk, Raga, I go say about what Raga mate have dive and wife have single bed. Raga so see now cut now that's come remember and so when the man come at me yeah and him sitting on in the place inconvenience. Raga him want move her uptown. I when she na eat in her house, Raga the mate have eat up hot and cold water. Cause no for the wife them don't know if to take care of them man. That's why them man gone. Raga you have some of them where Raga, mongrel, everybody want a mongrel, nobody want a pedigree, because you have to carry shih tzu to the vet and all of that. Raga, so everybody want a mongrel. Every year they go to play a mongrel, they don't find a pedigree. So fear man, need to get a mongrel, because a pedigree they now cut know that. Ask that pedigree what the vet says to shorter.
Stop right there. Okay, make we hear the wife answer you now. Wife, you answer now.
Wifey always the on top. Wifey shoes. You see our shoes over wear? A genuine leather. We wear Clark slippers. We wear brand heels. When me at wear Aslam patters, flip flop and crepe to run in to take away herself when time she see we. That's how the wife. Wifey go school when she want. Matey have to sit down and watch when wife are passing a hot up car. Wifey go sophisticated restaurant and bar for drink and dinner. Matey go cook shop and supermarket, go all around and a Pepsi. Wifey come in like the horse. With beard, dry, brush down, put down in our clean house. Matey come in like donkey, walk all day. Can't say them tired. She come in, she tie out her bush, half it got bow.
All right, well, I can't the last round now, Biggie answer now, the final.
I want to talk rubbish because Matey will go with some collectibles, Raga. Raga, when wife see them here at account, Raga, no for the wife, them as so comes. Them not have no man because them stay at the yard and do what's to play, take care of pick them do everything. Raga when Matey will go out and go take all for lobbies. Raga when she go talk about good restaurant. Raga, what is good restaurant? The local Chinese shop on a clock tower, no Raga. Raga wanga curry sports bar go have a drink. Raga wanga bamboo villa. Raga she don't know what she talk about. Raga the man not care the wife go have no weekend spa. Raga cause wife don't get a spa in the bathroom. Raga the one with the bath, not the good bath in the bath with the we call it the Mason man carve out Raga. Matey the all about. First thing Raga, the man, why would a man want a mate if the wife is all that? She not serve no purpose because she will say, oh, the man do this and the man go that. Raga clothes is not all. Raga me and mate and I want to save the money so I'm not going to conserve and some more clocks. Because furthermore Raga no clocks no don't at all no cheap. No clocks so them sit down at all no real Raga when I give it. So she will say, go down at town, go buy clocks. Raga she need to come check Matey.
All right.
Raga we know if we go to England we'll get the things. Raga that Matey they want a good man. She need to find a bonner man because she the wife then I work for her husband so she need to find a bonner man to teach her what the Matey have a she no get.
All right then, okay then, wife, you know, the final round, the final talk, you know, respond now, lock it back right, you know, wife, let's hear you.
All right. What did you talk about? I talk about sophisticated. So the last word is, we go expensive hotel, we go on vacation, we take plane when we want, and we celebrate anniversary. Wife picking say, daddy. Mate picking say, Uncle Roy or Uncle John. Bye. Mate, we move. We move up and down from Carla to Port. And then the final thing for me. When wife husband call, the answer is hello sweetheart, how are you? When mate call, the answer yo me dog. Can't come from the corner, you know. And the wife a go out for dinner.
Bye. Okay. First of all, now, Michelle, you look at AC wall, me I look at fan wall, and then me I look at mixup.com too. I want people just like quickly just tell me who they think win. Everybody just start post right now. Start post. Mixup yard post too. Mixup.com and start post who they think.
AC wall.
You look at AC wall, me I look at fan wall. Okay. All right. A country girl. No, I'm a country girl. Okay, them think a country girl. Okay, them I say, pan fan wall, me I look at them I say, what? Them I say, why if you take it to me, man?
Yeah, man, I thought they want to say for AC wall.
What them I say for AC wall? Come on, look.
Yeah, me I look. Biggie, I get beaten. Yo, Biggie dead. Me not like Biggie dead like my mongrel dog with them pies. The mongrel licky. The country woman I killed Biggie. Biggie just dead. Me can't believe say Biggie made that woman ya done her so. Whoa.
All right, Mixie Moore say, wifey take it to them. Pretty Chopstick Diva China say, wife a shut up like automatic gun. Alethea say, wife take it, Biggie them flap you, she flap you. Wife, Alicia McCoy say, wife you lead me not lie. Say something no, say wife you win. Devar Lemmy say, Biggie you done. Wife have more chat. Andre Brown say, wife have more chat, dead with life. She did her. Lacey baby girl Thompson say, wife take it. Suzette Roberts say, wife you shot. And we could take a quick break right here. I will come back and we'll decide who win that one. Soon forward. And thing. Yeah, yep. What's up? Good afternoon. Who you say win? Hello, who you say win?
Yo, my dog.
Yeah, who win?
The wife no must kill the mate.
The wife?
Yo, my dog. I saw you when you call the mate on the other side of the wife.
Okay. So, yo, my dog. When you say that one, the part, the shot.
So, that's what she used kill Biggie.
That's you kill. All right, let's say a word here. Next call. Next call. Who win? Next call. Hello?
Raga.
Who win?
Like, I'm not lying. You see the wife?
Yeah.
The wife I carry the swing, because guess what she do? Like here, Jamaica, soaring to new heights, KFC, nobody does it.
No, darling, you ain't the one we need if you tell who win.
The wife, Raga, the wife, bad.
All right, let's see a word. We just take some few cards, we don't determine who win. Okay, next call right now. Who win?
Hi, Raga.
Hello, yes. Wifey and mate, who win?
Wifey.
Wifey lock it. Okay, next call. Who win? Wifey and mate. Hello? Yo, that don't sound right. I want like somebody lay one in iPhone, you know. Oh, okay. Yeah, who win?
Wife.
Wife, you say take it. Wife and lead. Okay, next call. Who win? Hello? No, them have on the radio. Like, give me a next call. If them call and we hear the radio, we'll cut them off right away. Next call. Who win? Hello? Who win? Okay. Yeah, hello, who win?
Wifey.
Wife, okay, all right. We have any more that's right on our route. One more. Who win? Hello?
Wifey, man. Wifey straight.
Wifey, take it, okay. Rosemary say, wifey, Raga, wifey this week. Maria Biggie, but wifey take it. Rosemary says that. Susan Mitchell say, wifey win, she done Biggie. Orville McFarlane say, wifey straight. Miss Lex say, wifey win this week. Princess say, wifey straight shot. Sugar Body say, them tie for me. Interesting. Well, there you go. You know, people never say, well, and in studio, who you say take it, Richie? Wifey take it. Ruthie, who you say take it? Wifey take it. Michelle, who you say take it? Wifey take it. Well, Biggie.
Yeah.
Why, Biggie? It's like pretty much unanimous. Say you get done this week, but we don't know. Say next week, you gonna build back our thing, and you gonna get creative, and you gonna come with the things. But me not lie, the wife draw some proper talk.
The wife I read from a script. Me not at no show, so me not need to read from the
No, Biggie, don't be, Biggie, don't.
I give it to her.
Biggie,
Yes, Raga, she win.
Okay, fine. So you say she win. It doesn't matter how she do it, Biggie.
Yes,
she win. So nobody talk about script.
Me not say no, yes, she win.
Well, at Mixup and Blenda, then can come with script. Okay, so we'll see what is. She win. Well, good, and that's an honorable way to do it. But we are pre you next week, you know, because we know you're going to come with it different next week.
No, me not she win again next week.
But you know she are going to go back next week. Now, what you saying?
No, like me and her for class next week. Next week again.
No, what I'm saying, you know, you see like how she win now. She is now officially entered in the competition at Mixup and Blenda at Christmas.
Right.
Okay. For the big cash prize and thing, but we're going to give her a prize this week and thing. So proper respect here, Biggie.
Right.
Wifey.
Yes, brother.
So which name we forgive you, you know?
Just call me Rascori Murray.
Rascori Murray.
I have my husband 10 years ago. I know if to take care of him, I know if to handle him, I know if to hold him.
Okay, Rascori Murray. Okay, Rascori Murray, I want to say congratulations to you. It's pretty much unanimous. Everybody say you take it.
Raga.
Whoa.
Raga.
Yeah.
Tell Biggie say me not read fan script, but it's because my baby start cry at the same time, so I have to pay attention to her.
No, but that through the ear paper turn, you know? And through your paws and then something there, yeah.
I have to take up my baby because she start crying, so I have to deal with her to kind of cut it down.
Okay, all right. No, I get to the bait of the shot, me not lie. Yeah. Okay, we just got a female caller from England who say wifey win and thing. But if the responses that we have received from Ragashanti fan wall, Mixup Raga AC wall on Facebook, and in the studio here, if all the responses that we got here is indicative of what is out there in the broader, populace listening, then it's without a doubt that the consensus is that the wife will take it this week and so forth and thing. Which is remarkable. Because I remember say Biggie we are dealing with right there, so Biggie we are dealing with. And of course when things like this happen, it gives people like Michelle hope that she can I not hear you. I can't hear you.
Listen.
What?
I'll say one thing. I know how much word they use, but how the punchline them, and that is the reason why wife win.
It's true.
The punchline them shot.
It's true.
No way I come talk about
You know, I like about the debate too. Nobody never
it's
she
smooth.
just measured, smooth and quiet. And it's about the substance of your talk.
Should have go slow, but she pull it off same way and her talk. Her punchline them shot for true.
I can't remember them, but the punchline them did that
no
thing.
Man, the donkey donkey that tie up a bush.
She said, wife your ass. Wife get brushed down and beat your donkey.
Tie up a bush sometime, forgot more.
And if I walk and can't stop and all this stuff, they get tie up a bush.
That is shot, but I like that is shot.
A crazy thing.
And the last one, man.
The last one, it's a laugh. It's a laugh.
True.
I get to the thing here, man. So the thing set. We say Mixup An Blenda. Okay, we're going to the phone lines now, and we're going to topics here, man. Lesbian Mixup, or any other Mixup on have. Any other Mixup. It's an entertainment talk show. So roll in right now and talk up the things and make you laugh and I hear the different things. And what about to laugh, learn, and grow? And what we say, it's all about thick skin and broad back over here. So if you don't have thick skin and broad back, move up yourself. You can't eat. Nobody come in the kitchen. I saw the thing set. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon, Mixup An Blenda. Greetings. Hello.
Stewart.
Greetings.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, Mr. Stewart.
Yeah, man.
You link a Spanish town and flap, man. Oh, nobody no call you make you know about the Duppy a Spanish town.
No, but we never started calls yet.
Okay, no, but it's going from today what? Today Thursday. I mean, it's a Duppy over there from Monday, Tuesday.
From Monday, the Mixup and the arms will start over there?
Yeah.
Okay, how really are going? Give it the 100.
Me say house over there, then tear down and the Duppy machine house and come out. And then send for a mother woman. Everybody around there in a red and big Bibles, all sorts of things.
Everybody in a red and have up them Bible and thing or whatever. And what them I do? Them I war the Duppy.
Them a war the Duppy and the Duppy tell them say now come out there. And no matter who them care come there, Duppy tell them say all who them care come there can't get him out.
Okay. So the Duppy has stubborn up the thing, man, and a turn in high place over there, no?
Yeah.
So what them do that? What them do that?
In a Spanish town too.
Which part of Spanish town this agua?
You have to know street hour.
Yeah, man, with something like this, you can't tell. Wait, 1 second. With something like this, you can't tell with the street.
Upon Martin Street.
Martin Street. Which big street that they near? Which big street where everybody know that
they near? All right, one big business place around there.
No, don't tell with the business place. Just tell with the like you have Marchpen Road or Johnston. Which big road? Near Fugop and Cumberland Road too. Near Fugop and Cumberland. Wait, 1 second. Right. 1 second. We just do a time signal. 1 second. Don't move that far. Okay, yeah, man. So it's out Papa Martin Street. It's going near to Cumberland Road, right? Hello?
Yeah, man. May I hear you?
All right, yeah, man. So it's up on Martin Street near to Cumberland Road.
Right.
So what exactly happened? Them a lick down the house or that? Them a do?
Lick down one house around there.
Yeah.
And apparently somebody did that over the house already. So it look like it up left in the house. So them must have licked down the whole house to set up a new one. And Duppy around there. Duppy get mad.
So what happened?
Rush all and little boy at the hospital. Say Duppy in him because mother woman come around there.
So we are
slippers.
Well, I know. What is it that happened make people know say adopt, you know? So, like, for example...
They say they hear big stone and fling on the house top.
Okay. Then
Duppy take up big stone and fling.
Okay, and wild something now. Wild something.
I fling pan the house and people are drop down, people are pass and see what go on, everybody tap. My mother woman come there. I say I'm going to she alone, she can't get rid of Duppy. And when she come there now, it look like Duppy is stronger and she kick off her slippers and take up her send for one rotted Bible. Bible big and a black rotted.
What you say? The mother woman come and say she can't clean Duppy, and when she counter the big, she realize that Duppy big and strong and trapped in. She have to fling off her slippers and send for a rotted Bible, big like a black and brick. No.
And bring come on, and it's going from today out Thursday and around Monday to Tuesday morning. I'm surprised to see when me drive on here, you talk about it, me say, wait, it look like nobody no call you, making no walk on over there.
No, but yesterday we hear about it. I thought today, the email come in yesterday, and I tell, well, that's not really too late today, because Wednesday it come in, you know.
It's not too late, but the people on the street, they listen to your program.
Yeah.
And them, me live a good little distance from this, and them, who they run it, so should I can call you and make you know.
No, but hold on, between me and you, it's not easy to get in for a show you do. Okay, here we go. You're a bounce the next call to me. Good afternoon. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Blessed.
Manners.
Yeah, Raga, you know, say, what me call in for give my opinion on the get of the VH still, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, wife is shot it up wicked.
All right, that's our word, man.
You don't think what big win if you call the name the most time. That's what she was for calling him.
Raga!
The father's going to do good work, you see.
All right, Papa, that's our word. Your blessings and respect manners. Okay, here we go. Lesbian mix-up or any other mix-up. Lesbian mix-up or any other mix-up. On off calling and rings out the different things I'm right now. Greetings, hello. Yeah.
Raga.
Whoa.
My boss.
Yeah.
Long time listener, first time call up on the show, me done.
Cooler, man.
You me I say?
Yeah.
That debate, them like it, you know.
It mad, it's shot.
About the Jewish part of the area, you know, the husband thing. Me a Jew.
Yeah, Jew grind.
Yeah, man, straight Jew.
Yeah, Bonner, man.
Bonner, man, straight.
All right, then that's our word, man.
I'm going to have the topic the next week, boss.
All right, then, Ruthie, we take your name and number now, here.
All right, my dope.
All right, my dopes. Here we go. Yo, people, regarding, you remember that mix-up that were coming when the brother were calling and said the woman move out the whole line furniture them and gone with him fridge. Him say usually when they come home and they what they do, the first thing he see in fridge and that gone, bed gone. Well, she left the mattress now. But she taking components set in fridge, probably in TV and everything and move out gone and him thinks that Spanish town she there and somebody call in and say a Portmore she there and this and that drama. Some people link me from Roadstone, you know. And they must say a good youth, you know, Michelle. They must say a good youth. They must say, no, that youth there, what she accuse him of. They must say, them don't know of that youth there. I be a bonner youth or whatever. Say, a working youth. So, you know, that youth will go work and come in at every time. And they must say, you know, the person that pinch me and I say, Raga, we know everybody around this, so, you know. And the man them around this a rule a certain way. You see? You understand? We're not going into detail. And she said, that youth, they are one of the exception them. So I say, a good youth. And things. And I said the people and men and them rule. So the woman cut. Can you remember we asked the boy, if she gets so cool and whatever, this and that, and mustache, you know, but I just go into the feedback. Say people from Rosestown link me. And I say, I go to you, the youth to work a Barbican and get the call, say, if woman I move out the things, them and I fly go down there. And when they come, a big echo in my ear in my house. And think my car furniture and everything gone, echo would have kill him. And they made the point that you all gone with the seasoning for your food too, and gone with all the dirty clothes.
The ketchup.
And the dirty underpants and all that. So all the ketchup she gone with the pickled pepper. Man, okay, to the phone line, we got lesbian mix-up or any other mix-up. Lesbian mix-up or any other sample mix-up. Good afternoon, hello.
Raga.
Greetings.
Well, me not try it, you know.
You not try it. We not try it. You said that on the talk right now. I'm not try it.
You see it?
I'm not try it, yo.
I want to tell you a thing happened to my virgin yesterday.
Yeah.
Him girl, well, him living in girl still, but him girl text him.
Yeah.
So, him pull up my phone to let him out that door there. So the girl see the text come in.
Yeah.
So she start at the girl. So when him come and I say some things where she text and she text and she don't know say boy and him man text her back, you know.
Well, so wait, him born a girl. The mate here text him and then the woman who him there with start text back the girl.
And girl live with now see it and start text back.
Oh, okay.
And him never and she don't know say boy and him a text back.
See it there?
Me I tell her something, man. So when he was saying come here back now,
yeah.
I held back down there.
okay. Can woman move to him wicked then, no?
Well, in case he said who this? And can't deny it, but he want me not name my phone.
You see it?
So instead, back shuffle and say, well, I know, wrong body and thing. So when in the last part, now when he start texting and realize, boy, yeah, because he start calling him and say, when you want to do one way, you see me, I say? I don't know, so I don't know the ghetto here there, you know.
You see it?
So when back start singing, everybody start look out.
Not say a word, man.
That I yesterday that happened, you know.
Yesterday it happened?
Yeah.
In which area?
Down in the Hero Circle area.
Which Hero Circle area? All right.
Yeah.
All right. We know how we this, so then, you know. I went next to Hero, so Alman town there, sir. Eh?
Yeah?
Down there, sir, Alman town side, don't?
Yeah, down that side,
Down that side. Not say a word, man. All right, then, manners and respect here.
Yeah, man, let's go.
Crazy. All right, Bonks and next caller, lesbian mix-up or any other sample shot down, sell down mix-up. Send on. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, I really have too much of a matey mix-up, you know, but not matey, the
lesbian mix-up, yeah.
Yes. The thing is, me know one lesbian, and the only thing I want to say to lesbians who have children already,
yeah,
so they must remember them, because I have one lesbian where she get one baby premature, and from the baby is like left hospital.
Yeah.
The father carry come down my house, and every day she plans to say I come look for the baby, and she not turn up. And when the father decides to tell me say the baby, he can't manage to go work and how the baby I'm still. Well, the father used to live with me before we launch out.
Right.
For them one. But why?
No, well on. Was the father taking care of the child?
The father get the baby months old, like I think about 2 to 3 months after the baby spent quite a while in the hospital.
Right, premature, right.
Right. So after when him get the baby, him don't know what to do with the baby.
No, but what did he? What?
No, but the father was a big man and the girl young.
Big man, like, just give me like an age range, like, in what age, like?
The big man in 40s and the girl in 20s.
In 20s. So basically, I say, father don't even know if he care for picking it.
So the father don't know because
much less a picking were born premature.
But yes, a premature.
And so the father end up ask you for help him out.
Help him out with the baby.
So when you say now from the baby come out, whatever, the woman who have the baby now, she not turn up and come look for the baby or anything?
One time she turn up, and when she turn up with two of the kind, two of, you know.
What, two other women who she there with?
Two other women with herself.
Okay.
Relative, but
now, what me want to understand is that, because I notice very often we're referring to some of these women as lesbian. I remember lesbian only sleep with woman. So if she breed and she have a picnic or whatever with a man or whatever, we just want to know the extent to which she involved with the man.
They never get a chance to live together.
Okay.
Maybe the baby just come, maybe she did want some money if we go do whatever, because the man find a book where she write like, you know, a diary.
Yeah.
A diary where she have, and man can't read so good either. So him carry the diary come show me.
Yeah. And
said to me, see, and the diary could I tell you one way plan for see who he meet, which part and who better than who, and whatever in a what way.
In the diary there, is man and woman or mostly woman?
All women.
All women. Okay. So,
all women.
Okay. So it sounds like even though she got to do a thing and get pregnant, it really woman she loved it.
Woman, yes, but at the same time the man said one of the woman when him move with now, him used to move there when him did a I check for him. You know, before the baby come up.
No. Say that again. We know. Say that part there again.
All right. The part there is that when the man go look for the woman.
Yeah.
He always hears him over Miss Lou.
Yeah.
Just a name. Over Miss
Just
Lou.
a name, right? Yeah.
Right. And him did a wonder say if Miss Lou a relative. So him try to ask somebody say if I'm a relative. And one guy laughed and I said to him, say, he know the thing said, but he never really realized.
Then the time I she there with Miss Lou, long time, and I do the things I'm with Miss Lou.
Right.
But yes, we forgot the news now, but right now, yeah, say, if a woman love woman and wife have a woman, but for some reason end up get pregnant, they need to assume their parental responsibilities and don't make the picnic suffer. That you say.
Yes.
All right then. Blessings and respect. Here.
Take care.
You take care. A news time, people are going to shut the news right now. We'll come back a straight mix up without apology. And if both the people are listening, I write up on an article and I like it, and I go drop asleep and I look pound me a pen for someone and think proverbially so. I am not advocating death against anyone. Hello.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
To the phone lines we go again. Lesbian Mixup or any other Mixup on Avanting Sinan. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Greetings.
Boy, I'm not trying it, you know, Raga. Not trying it.
Not trying it. Not trying.
Watch your belly.
Watch your... And we must have taught them over here. Mad.
Hey, Raga, I saw your program never done couple say 20 years ago, you know. Year ago, I can't learn a whole heap of things, but I have this, what I know, you understand?
Wait, say that again, what?
I saw your program never answered 20 years ago, because I learned something I wouldn't get that a problem, I'm going to get it now.
I make the bullshit people, them go drop down and get mad, you know. When you go tell them, say you learn a lot of things from my show. Because
They can't go and talk.
all idiot them.
I was a Joe grind in Canada, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in the winter, I don't take the stick. 5th floor, you know.
5th floor, yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to say, you know, for go if you're Joe grind, don't go more than the 1st floor or 2nd floor.
What, that is important, you know. You're saying when you're a bonner, man, you must go too high up in the enemy building. Well, Tambourine! Hey, but they are talking like joking, you know, but hey, a serious thing, just if
make sure you can jump.
Make sure, because as a bonner man, you must always have your escape route sort of.
Anyway, I'm up on the 5th floor inside and yeah, man, I go in the bedroom and thing, you know, talk and whatever. I hear the key I go. I never know some man have a key. When I hear the key, I say, who that? She say, man, I say, Jesus Christ, I rush to the patio, too high for jump. I can't jump 5 floors down, and I win, you know. I can't stay up on the patio because I go freeze.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm running back and I dive, I'm 6'2", you know.
Yeah,
dive on bed, you know. Mm-hmm. I'm slide on there, you know, and I forgot to look in the bed, catch up to the wall, so I go closer to the wall, and I say, Jesus Christ, I don't know. Anyway, me another man. The man come, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
The man sit down on the bed and take off his boot.
Mm-hmm.
You on the bed, Mr. Father. You know, them sit down on the lower dive and it sink down, come on you. You understand?
Yeah, sink down, yeah.
Man lay down on the bed, man take off his clothes and she and the man there and two of them there are shot out on the bed. And me on the bed now, Raga.
So wait, the man shot it on the bed and you under the bed?
Yeah, me on the bed.
Then hold on, then you and I shot it before?
No.
Okay.
But it just come on and work with him. But you know your place, you know, rush it, you know, you're joking, but you know, rush it.
Yeah. No, you have to know for smooth the thing, because with some other you can't do, just run and jump. So, and, right. You know, worse if you just ability, you know?
Well, but I better make just rush it and go over business.
No, they didn't probably that kitchen I make like. So, so what happened after that?
I think the man that leave, you know, the man never leave. I stay another thing morning, you know. I'm morning, I'm not telling you something about 9 o'clock at night. I'm morning, the man left, but 8 o'clock in the morning, you know, my birthday.
And you stay under the bed the whole time?
The whole time, I couldn't come out.
Yo, you see why, you see enough people don't even understand certain things, you know. You see what you try to make people understand right now is that it's hard work to be a bonner man, you know. Yeah, man, it's some serious ups and downs. It's not an easy thing, man. Being a bonner man is not an easy thing.
Well, you know me here, it's something.
Well, are the dirty, wicked people, if you're not listening now, this is a good time for you to turn the radio upon something else and whatever. All right, go on, Tom.
If I did hear you, I could have waited at the door.
Yeah.
And as I'm coming, I just stumble and face and I rush through the passage.
Because don't you hear me? Yeah. Me tell you, say, if you're a bonner man, never you go under a bed.
Right.
Never you do that. Always seize the opportunity to surprise the man coming inside. As him open that door, you lick him down and run through and run gone.
But you see what know what you know.
Yeah.
I never know the man that come and like the she have a little sitting room here. It's far from bedroom, so by the time he would have to reach. If me even that think of that, he would have come catch me before.
Oh.
You understand me? But if the door was closed, I mean, the hear your talk. Because the right side door is come with a slap me and face and a flash.
You not just do it? You not do it, knife?
I'm face 1 year, that's what I give him.
When you say that, cut him a box and put him in a shack right away and just cut.
So when I come out of that, because...
No, man, you see that position, you know. You see, you just plan with her. You see, as the key, I want me, you say, just listen, I can box him and run, and you just ball out, thief, Jesus Christ, right?
When I said, oh, that's the man. I said, the man ski. I said, the man has ski Jeep. Then she never put on the little, little chain lock. Put on chain lock without time for the song.
Yeah.
When I rush to the patio, I'm look out, snow there, you know.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, I'm coming back, and I said, what am I going to do? I'm going to try. Try to fully place hide now.
Yeah.
I'm bed, but I just have to go on the bed then.
No, you see, if you have a place for hide, where you can stand up and thing, where him can go in a one room and you slide out, you can run that car too.
Yeah.
You can run. But my reason is so you're under bed, your mobility is limited, severely limited, and should you be found out, them can shut them eye and just swing the last under the bed and I eat that for you. You understand?
I come out and peeing up from my birthday.
You're peeing up? What? And you hold it the whole night? No, I rate you.
Go back still enough.
Hey, but the thought that way you make, man, if you're a bunner, man,
yeah, man,
and you take an next man, don't go on the floor too high.
I bridge them call me say, yeah, man, if on the first floor or ground floor.
Second floor the most. Yeah.
Right, don't go too high, because you make sure you can jump, because if it was them floor, I can jump and I can business.
And gone, boy, your business.
I look weird, I look 5 floor up there, I only 5 floor that.
No, man, you could have broke up your foot then, man. But let's say a word here, family. Yeah, man, manners and respect. But anyway, lesbian mix-up or any other sample mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Random believe.
All right, 1 second. Okay. All right, then. No, I'm glad you corrected yourself, but use the word lesbian. Again, you know, with all due respect, you know, there's nothing wrong with the word. Because you know about Sodom and Gomorrah, right? Right? And the word, but the way the word sodomite is used, the boys of people, them not gonna like it, and we don't want to give them certain ammunition. So use the word lesbian, here?
Okay, sorry.
All right, then. Good. So you say, the man found out that a woman a lesbian?
And she beat him up because he a leave her.
Well, on, so him a leave her and she beat him up?
Yes.
I went the backside with the tambourine. Well, him find out, so she a take a woman with him, right? So she bisexual.
Yes.
And him a cut. And to him want leave, she beat him up.
She beat him up. What do you see, man? Him tell me she chop him in him forehead with the broom, he say. And she bites him and all over him body. Pure bite.
Chop him in him forehead with the broom and bite up in claw, don't it?
Yeah, and tell him say him can't left far.
All right. You see, with them things, you know, you think you're going to hear these women's group now come and talk about and protect this man? You understand? Look at that. The man is attempting to extricate himself from a situation in an amicable way, in a non-violent way. And it's a woman perpetrate the violence upon him. You think you're going to hear these women's group come out and defend the man and all them things? They're going to come up with some justification. I wonder what him to make him deserve it. You understand? And it's wickedness that if the man there with her and with the understanding that she's a heterosexual, a only man she take, and him find out say she has a great appreciation for Chocho to along with banana. You understand? The man have a right for say, yeah, hear me now, I only like women who like banana. The fact that you like Chocho, I mean, I know it. You understand? And she have a bust up the man head with broom now and bite up the man and all them things. Them feel like a park clot and I can't tell them about you can't left me. You can't know, so it's all Taliban to it, man.
You're right, because him even tell me, say, because to them living at this house with 2.5 years and they have one daughter.
Yeah.
Him say, want to take out him stuff, them like furniture where him need.
Yeah.
And him say she burn them up, saying, nah, get them and she can't live because him are the best man she ever have.
Okay, so he might the best man she ever have. So she burn up all her furniture and chop him in her head, bite him up and whatever because she refused to lose the best man she ever have, don't you?
Yeah.
I don't tell woman that. Me say that without apology. Don't tell woman that. She want to manage a man. And him fi understand himself, you know, with all due respect, you know. We can't say certain things on the radio, you know. But, you know, him have to bounce it different because he see a woman like she. Him have to be careful, you know, because he see all them damage away him go give her. Him real go give her one because she go police go report it, you know, and I eat that, you know. You understand? So him have to smart and use him head. Me know if you angle all them the woman there, you know. But him have to go smart and use him because the woman they know, you see the woman who love beat man, as long as they think they can get away with it, then not stop it. Then come in like when man a beat a man too. So you have to make them know that there is consequences for their actions. I will not say not no more.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Not say a word, man. But wait, just tell me the area where this happened. Just tell me the area, just the area.
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town, I go hard from one here.
Brother, you see the same, some of them want to talk about the over the duck, where the feed Duppy a fling stone or something.
Yeah.
A pure foolishness. My pass out there.
Yeah.
And the people them stand up out there and run and say stone a fling, stone a fling. A pure crowd out there.
A pure what?
A crowd just a pure stone, Duppy a fling stone them for mine.
What the road name again? Martin Avenue or Martin Road?
I'm not sure where the road name, but you know after you come up from which part of the school there, Compre and come up straight up.
Which school?
Compre,
okay.
And come way up right top up there, so like you would go to try to enter mark up on the Brunswick there, so.
Yeah.
They make this somewhere up right there.
Around this, I mean, not too know around this still, you know, but we know what, I say then somewhere off near Cumberland Road or something like that.
Near this one.
Around this or anything or whatever. And think, say, I be a foolish to the people, them run up and down like you, that's a Duppy then.
Duppy.
Them in a red and them something that to know whatever.
Oh, well, the people, big crowd did out there.
Mad. That we need to go out there with the mix-up more. We need to go out there. I wonder if we can go out there tomorrow. We can't go over the Duppy house tomorrow, you know, man. Make we try go over the Duppy house at Spanish Town tomorrow. No, me just walk with me. And probably just start a little thing over there real quickly and do a quick report because you don't know some have me equipment and sitting for a while. No, we could have shot it. We bring the access, bring the comics access. Don't worry yourself, man. We see what can Yeah. No, I make sure we're covered with prayers before we go in.
We're ready.
Yeah, no, yeah. All right, here what? May I wear full red tomorrow and go over the Duppy house? No, Ruthie, all right, Carla, listen to me. May I wear full red tomorrow and we're going to stop over the Duppy house and thing and then drive over quick and shot the show while Chris Grass a player. So I want to start the show over the Duppy house and thing. May I wear full red. May I line up my red there. May I do like when we used to go to school and iron from tonight. All right, blessings here.
All right, goodbye.
Yo, people still do them something. Iron the clothes on the night before and lay them out and then. Yeah, Ruthie says she iron for the weekend, son. Ruthie, who you try fool? You can't iron. You can't iron, Ruthie. You can't iron. You're too lie. You can't iron. Okay, give me a call. Hello.
Yeah,
greetings.
Yeah, sir.
What day, Papa? You don't wrap your arms out, sweet key, Papa.
One day, I say, I go down a puppy down a university to check one friend and I go down there now. So, when I come down the hill now, and I walk, I come down Garden Town Road.
Yeah.
Just as I pass the vocational school, I see a virgin come cross with the road and come behind me, and I walk, I come down behind me. When I keep walking behind me, and so till him shout, and like when I say, yo, and I look on, and I see him a fan me down. So I stop fear where I say. And the man come down and the man I say, walk on, and I say, well, I just walk along the road and he start talk to me and eventually we develop an argument and we talk and walk. And then I tell him I go over university to check a friend and he walk with me and we talk and we go over university and we then time me just come from country. I will want a friend to talk, so I'm glad for somebody to talk to. And we did and we had chat.
Hold on. You have a radio in the background?
In the next room.
No, man. We are here. Them want to cut you off, you know. Yeah, man. And talk looking faster, here. You see them thing, you know, them thing I kill the vibes I sitting in, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, talk a little faster too, yeah?
All right, sir. So, we do a chat, we go check the friend, and after we check the friend and we come back out and we have a party in there. So, I said to him, say, boy, may I go up and heal you now? And say, all right. So I say, may I come back down still because may I go down to arena with them have expo because the people who I work with them have a booth down there thing.
Yeah.
And him say, all right, I come wait for me out there, we go down there together.
Yeah.
We go down there and we meet him and we go up on the bus and we go up on the bus him and pay for me. I'm glad for that still.
Yeah.
All right, and we go down arena, we spend a good while down there and then we leave and we come back up and pop in, you know. And then say, all right, I go take my heels now and go back on the heels. Yeah. I realize the man said to me, say, so are you alone? I go up. I say, yeah, man. He said, yeah, man. He said, you're not afraid, Virgin. I don't let somebody live in a man. Just come jam with me, man.
Yeah, go attack, yeah.
He said, no, sir. Man say, you're not afraid of nothing, man. And then the man will have on my hand that I'm about 3 rings on my finger, you know. So 3 nice gold ring, the man will have on my finger and start to squeeze at my finger, the man. And I said, boy, you have some lovely ring. The only realize on my finger, the man, I feel up in the hand.
So him go like him admire your ring them, but I had him a rub down.
Yes, let me find the man finger them are going on my hand, nigga.
Him finger them I do that look at something there with the finger. You know when they rub the hand nigga and tell us them, you know that code there.
Aye.
And that him I do. So wait, so him started out him I said that you alone I go home. You're not afraid. I better you just come stay down at my house, man. So go on talk.
Just like that. You see? So me just draw a quick card and say to him, say, you see people who live with me, they tell them, say, what time may I come back? So they will come pick me up, you know. So me tell them, say, never wait for them over the police station. So me just go to back and just go over the police station and slum over the till him gone. So just take my road and go back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And of course, you don't link him again after that.
Yeah, man.
Hey, and you did go down a few house, you know, man. Remember me, I tell you, you know, man. You probably wouldn't even have called with today, you know. You'd have a memorable night, man. Hey, you know what? Hey, I screech you, man. I screech you the whole time, you know.
The man has screech upon me.
I build the thing to you the whole time, man. It's a lucky thing you have your head by your body. I know what it is, but anyway, the whole I break you down here.
Yeah, man, no problem.
That's your word, man. Manners and respect. Yeah, what's up? Hold on. What's your name, man? What's your name, man? Tanya Johnson, that's your name. She come and rank up the thing. Yo, Tanya, I want to, you know me I run this. I know what I do. I know if I mix up the thing. Go about your business if you know what. Cut. Tanya Johnson upon the fan wall, you violate. I want to you. But soon far. Yep. Welcome back up in I sitting mix up and blend. That was a lesbian mix up or any other proper mix up or sitting. Okay, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon, Mix Up and Blender. Hello.
Hi, afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Yeah, my day I wallet, you know. I give thanks, isn't it?
Okay. Well, what I'm really calling about is that I am a lesbian.
You're a lesbian?
Yes, I am.
Uh-huh.
But the thing about it is that you have most of these girls that call into your show. I mean, there are some hurry come up lesbian, then just you go school, them go school and feel say, boy, at the in thing now, so them come up at night. So, you see, when people see them on the road and how them behave, them believe that all lesbians are like that, and we're not like that.
Them a hurry come up lesbian.
Yeah, man, you have some hurry come up lesbian, man.
Explain the difference to it between a hurry come up lesbian, somebody who just got a woman who just got try a thing with another woman and rate as opposed to somebody who is probably you say a bona fide lesbian. Explain the difference.
All right. Them go the younger ones now. Them go school and them see them Friday night and them feel say boy at the in thing and you can get how much girl. You're attracted to a girl, yes, but you feel you can get every girl and anything a pass. You know, feel like say, yeah, we have to get it. You understand?
Right.
Which is with a genuine female lesbian now. she have class, she have taste. I mean, she's looking for somebody who, I mean, can be her companion. Say, love her for who she is and love them one another. You're not going to jump on everything when you see out the road.
Okay. So you have some women who are just sex focused and it's all about sleeping with as many women as them can or just having sex with another woman. It's just a pleasure thing as opposed to, that is a qualitatively rich life you're talking about, right?
Yeah. I mean, let me tell you something. I know that it is wrong. Know that me don't say it wrong. And my mother hate my lifestyle. You understand me? But it's just that when I was growing up, when I was younger, I was molested. And, I was almost raped by a family member again. And
wait, when you were molested, what happened there? Was it a man or a woman?
A male.
A male molested you when you were growing. At what age?
By age I was 7, 8, coming up. And
you were molested at around somewhere in 7, 8, right?
Yeah.
By a male. And
a family member.
A family member. And was it something that they went all the way with what they did?
No. Most of what happened was oral.
Okay. And then after that again, you had another occurrence of abuse, is it?
And after that, it tried that. It was a family member. Me and them a fight for the bathroom door because them want me and all of that. And after, it's just that it was so traumatized. I was so traumatized growing up.
Right.
I didn't even have a boyfriend until I was 21. And the reason why I had a boyfriend because I was trying to hide who I was.
Okay.
Because my parents did not approve of who I was.
Okay. But when did you come to know who you are?
Well,
when did you realize that you are a lesbian?
I realized somewhere was in maybe high school, but I hid it. I tried to hide it because I have another family member that is just the same way. You understand me? But she realized that I was that way.
Okay.
So, about 22 or so, she used to start carrying me to parties and,
When it's parties, you mean like gay parties?
Yeah, gay parties.
Okay.
When she have this conception of gay parties being an orgy party. It's not like that.
Okay.
Because it's a lot, you come together, you meet each other, and, you have fun.
What about the some people believe, do you think that you, being a lesbian, has some relationship to the fact that you were abused by men at a very young and impressionable age?
I think so, and I think not. Reason being is that, growing up, I didn't have my mother and father there to even hug me and say, boy,
Right.
My mother's love. I didn't even have that. So, you see, I go out the road and I try to seek it in somewhat ways. And sometimes you seek it in the wrong direction. You seek it from the wrong people.
Okay.
And with the abuse now, yes, because to tell you the truth, for me to even say, boy, I'm going to stop doing what I'm doing now. Because I stopped for 2 years, I stopped for 2 years and said, boy, all right, I'm going to try to date a male.
Right.
Tried it, and it was one of the most awfulest things in my life because every time it comes down to the nitty-gritty, I have to drink some alcohol or something just for just say, boy, relax. And even when me relax, it's the worst feeling in the world. It's like me got dead.
So when you go start out or whatever, it's like you actually have to drink up some alcohol and thing for just get in the mood. You have to force yourself for go do it.
You have to force myself.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you something to say. Even if we even start, it's like everything just lock down, lock up tight.
In other words, it's a totally unnatural feeling for you.
Totally.
Okay. But you made an interesting point. You said when you did that go through your turmoil and in terms of you're not having that your mother's affection and guidance. And it's interesting you said mother as opposed to just parents. But is it the case that the people who were there for you were women?
Yes. Actually, even when I left high school.
Right. And were these women like lesbians?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
When I left high school and I met this lady, actually she didn't love me. She sent her friends and tell her, say, boy, she liked me and stuff like that. And I said to her that, I don't want a relationship. All I want for you to be my friend.
Right.
And she accepted the fact, and up until this day, it's about 15 years now, and we are good friends, same way.
Okay.
We're just good friends because, people believe that because you're a lesbian, anytime you see you with a woman, something has to be going on.
Right.
And it's not like that.
But if somebody were to say, if somebody were to say a lesbian broke you in it, would that be a correct statement or would it be incorrect?
It would be incorrect. I'd say no, because I had the feeling, but it's just that, I've never done it before then.
Right.
But when I went to a party with my cousin once, and I met somebody, and it just happened.
Okay.
So when people talking, I don't know. Even the girl G-Les, the other day when she had behaved that way, to Ruth, and I said,
right.
I try to stalk her. She give us bad name.
Okay.
Because as I said, she want them fly by day, pitch by night one day.
Okay. And you know me no cut off people all when them are done me. And when you see me reach a point, me have to cut her off, you must know.
Yeah, man, she grows me up, man. She grows me up bad. Because she give lesbian a bad name. The good ones, she give them a bad name. Because I know a lot of lesbians.
Okay.
And they're not like how she is.
Oh, she behaved. That kind of aggressive, insensitive, disrespecting heterosexual type of thing or whatever, because that's the point I was making to her. Like, how can she as a lesbian asking for people to accept her and respect her and whatever when she has absolutely no respect for heterosexual and women who say that they only like men and whatever, and then attack the things that she did attack, but what she going to do and what all lesbian are going to do to all of the heterosexual women and all them something and whatever.
That's so nasty.
Okay.
That's so nasty. It's to come like you're forcing yourself on people. They should not be doing that.
But you have a whole heap but you're saying them are the already come up kind of butu lesbian them and but there is in my estimation there is a cadre of lesbians out there who are very aggressive and they're no different from men who force themselves upon a woman and rape them and so forth, as far as I'm concerned. But the point you're making, which is very important, is that they do not represent the greater majority of the lesbian population. Am I correct? That's what you're saying?
Yes,
okay.
That's so true.
Okay. Some people need to understand that. And don't think, all lesbians are going to try whole woman and this and that and whatever. And you use the example where you say there is somebody who you know for 15 years now, initially was attracted to you, and you made her know your stance, and you know, you never do nothing, and you have remained friends up to this day.
Good friends.
Okay. So do you think that Jamaicans... Sorry, go on. Sorry.
No, man, go ahead.
Do you think that Jamaicans just don't understand lesbians then, or is there a lot of misconceptions there and so forth?
Yes, there's a lot of misconception, and then, the horror come up ones, them make it bad for the others. You understand me?
Okay.
They make it bad for others, because let me tell you something, Raga, there are so many in so many different places that, people don't want to deal with lesbians and so, but if you look in every, industry in Jamaica, every or workplace you find 2 or 3 inside there. Mm-hmm. And you would never know that they are like that.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? So when you see people that behave away and burn them out, some make it bad for others. Some make it very bad for others.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then, again, you hear them say, you have 3 types of lesbians. You have femme butch, femme, and you have butch.
Femme butch, and you're the first one to I hear to pronounce it because femme is actually from French, meaning woman. Femme, F-E-M-M-E. Femme. So you have femme butch, femme, and butch.
Yes.
Okay. So the femme butch is explain them to us. Explain them. You
All
explain.
right. The femme is the lesbian, and the girly type, all girly.
Okay.
The femme butch, she's in between a tomboy and the feminine. She just tomboy, female-ish. So it's just in between, but she receives and she gives.
Okay.
And then you have the butch, the butch are the all mighty man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that wholly for lesbian in Jamaica? I mean, somebody who the.
Oh, yes, there's a whole lot.
A whole heap of lesbian on there?
A whole heap. They're all over.
All over.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
And you'll be surprised where they are.
Okay.
Very surprised. Because I remember, 2004, I was up on Kansas Spring with a famous place. It wasn't so famous once. And somebody come up there, them famous too, come up there, come catch them girlfriend with another girl and pop big fight up there.
A famous person come catch a girlfriend with another girl and that famous person pop big fight with them.
Oh, you mean pop big fight up there?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Then.
So,
I mean, but just before you go, though, like, what you think? Just before you go, what you think will happen now with respect to how Jamaicans going, in terms of how Jamaicans in general relate to lesbians? What do you think will happen in the future? Anything going to change or it going to remain the same or what do you think will happen?
For Jamaicans, I think Jamaicans are proud of who they are and them say none of that, none of this, none of that. But guess what happened? In the future, it is going to happen because as far as
what is going to happen? What is going to happen?
They're gonna take over.
Who going to take over?
The lesbians. You have say for instance, in the workplace now, you have 2 in there now out of 50 people. By the next 3-4 years time, half of that working populations are what lesbians.
So you, in terms of the future for the country right now, you think that we're slated to have a significant increase in the amount of lesbians out there. So the lesbian population going to grow as far as you're concerned.
Yeah, it's going to grow because a lot of women are being hurt, raped, abused, everything, and they're looking for comfort from, somewhere which the men don't want to give it because them feel for them too much of it, caress and kiss and hug them woman. And another woman might out the road and smile at another woman and boy, she feel nice about it. And then she just go to the woman for it. So it's going to happen because of the macho thing with these men who don't want to love and caress and kiss their feet, kiss the woman them.
Okay. So real quickly, so a big reason, as far as you're concerned, a big reason why we will have an expansion, an increase in the amount of lesbians in the country is because the men are not behaving the way that they should behave with respect to their relationship to women.
They're not. They're not affectionate.
So a big reason why we're going to have more lesbian, the fault lies with men, the way they're treating women.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Interesting. All right, then. Thank you so much here.
All right.
All right, then. Blessings and respect. Some controversial opinions there. Controversial indeed. And some of you getting infuriated and you're making posts, cut off this and cut off that and whatever. Apparently you're not used to the show. All when people call and I done me and whatever, we make them talk. That's what I like with Ian Boyne show up and religious hard talk. Now, find time you not with Ian Boyne and bring them people here for with Ian Boyne. On no need for know what going on out there. On no need for know all the things set up. You understand? Right? And sometimes it requires that you come out of the comfort zone and just drop back and at least pre-ragwan. You don't have to agree with it, you don't have to agree with it, don't have to agree with it. You understand? But you don't need to know what going out the road out there. The motto is laugh, learn, and grow. Some of them don't want to laugh. That's what I think said. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings.
Hey, Raga. The most curious from me, Raga.
Hello?
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, your phone sound weird, you know. You go and talk.
Yeah, hear me better now, because speaker, I put it on, because you low.
Yeah, man, I hear you now, man. I hear you now.
I tell you the most scary thing what happened to me.
Yeah, I want that now.
All right, let me tell you, Raga. Last year, I'm going to do one transaction at one business place.
Yeah.
They happened that a paper was supposed to sign.
Uh-huh.
But the person who signed it now was a pastor.
Uh-huh.
All right, no, Raga. By talking to him, Raga, I asked me to use my phone and I give him the lowdown with the speech program and all of that.
Yeah.
But Raga, he live close to me, but not exactly on the street. He live.
Right.
So he said to me, say, the yard, let me see how come out. If I over there, so I live. So I say, yes.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Last week, Wednesday, no, Raga. Somebody did the yard, I clean up the yard.
Mm-hmm.
But one of my friends, they come stay with me because they got one party.
Yeah.
So when me hear somebody outside, I talk to the man who cut the yard.
Uh-huh.
And then somebody I call, like, for instance, somebody I call me by me last name, but I call me sister XYZ, you understand?
Right.
Who this could have known me and I call me by the name? The bomb when I go to Raga at the pastor that.
Uh-huh.
Them said to me, say, if I talk to the man now, kind of want, well, me never know where up to Raga.
Yeah.
If I talk to the man and say, this is my friend and I like her, she intelligent and she go about her business and all of them, something there.
Yeah.
And the sister X, me come in, so I pull the grill Raga.
Yeah.
Since I pull the grill Raga, him reach in at the house, stand up right. You know, when you come out of the veranda, you go in at the hall, in the TV room, because I'm call it.
Right.
And he started, but your house looking good and all of them something, Raga. I like the grill. When I go step up on the door, we can go inside, all right?
Yeah.
He said, give me a hug.
The pastor said, give me a hug.
Raga, the man grab me with a hug, you see, Raga? Raga, when me feel like the elephant trunk that me feel in a Raga.
The pastor grab you with a hug, and when you hug him, you feel the elephant trunk.
Oh, mom, you put me all around him, Raga, because the hug, they never, you know?
Yeah.
He just grab me, Sir Raga, and just, when me feel Raga, the elephant trunk, me feel.
Yeah, one hell of a sitting that brace, can't you?
Raga, so me start to ease off now, so the ease me got ease off.
And hold on, and this is the pastor you talk about, you know?
Raga, that me a try, sure.
And then what, man?
All right, no, Raga. After one time, I try to ease my face. When I feel Raga, my hand go knock on the door now, and the door go knock on a glass table. When they right behind the door, one little table. So my friend now, who did they hear Raga? Hear the little stumbling like, you understand? Start at the door and come round. See, and the man say, Jesus, give me the olive oil, give me the olive oil, give me the olive oil.
So the pastor, can you never know somebody there, you know, don't it?
You never know if somebody was here, can you know, so I live by myself.
So he might brace up on you know, and make you feel all him strength down there, so and whatever, and this and that, and whatever. And when the other person hear the little stumbling, you know, because the door lick the glass table and run, come out. When they see the pastor start, but give me the olive oil, give me the olive oil, give me the olive oil.
No, Raga.
So we have to heal him, I'm going to heal you now, you know, man.
He left one in our glasses now, and but the glasses now case. We time just go visit a particular room for the olive oil now. You understand? Because it's like my friend down when we see him one time. Transaction place, we see him.
Yeah.
You see him. So she go for the olive oil and come back. Raga, when he come back with the olive oil, the man gone out of the house down time put on his slippers. Raga, you see where they look on the floor, Raga, every water on the time trunk.
Okay. Oh, careful.
Yeah, me know, Raga.
Okay. For real?
See, Raga.
But that is a disgusting pervert of a pastor, man.
Raga, let me tell you something, Raga. If me could have reached out this evening and show you some text with him pastor, then...
What the pastor sent to you?
Raga, them not delete it on phone, Raga. Me got hear them come show you, Raga. By the time, no.
Yes, I want to see those texts, you know. We're going to give you a number you forward those texts to us so we can read them.
Yeah. Raga, I'm going to send them to... motherfuckers, if you could have left a number with Ruthie, Raga...
No, sir. All right, no, sir.
And the man takes set for me, Raga. And the man call guess what, Raga. In there, tell me that the ear say, Just by talking to him wife, diagnosed with cancer for 3 years. You understand me? I said, the wife dead since this year.
All right, then. Careful that you don't give certain information where people will be able to readily identify who he is. Here.
So, Raga, he might tell me, say, we do anything to get a slim body young girl right now. Raga, him go let him glasses or something, you know. Some of them tell us.
All right, well, we're going to make you get routine number because we'll have break and things, so we'll make you get routine. But on a different level, what denomination is this? What denomination? I'm just curious. What denomination is?
Raga, the Church of God, Raga.
Church of God. All right. No say nothing no more and thing. All right. But what a piece of he would have give you a blessing. Hello? Okay, Ruth, you start with the part there. Sit there. The pastor there that give her a piece of blessing, you see? When that elephant chunk, they go, Rrr! Anyway, we are all yeah, we're so far, all a break. To the phone lines we go. Lesbian Mixup or any other Mixup or sort of thing set. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you, Mr. Stewart?
Mama, day I give thanks. You know, what's up?
Boy, me not forget you know anyway you go as long as me can get you. Me not talk bad of your ears well because me not forget say you bust me pan radio. Mr. Stewart. Me hear the man talk other day. I wonder if your picture you have a sleep with.
Oh, the brother who call. Well, you think it's serious, or you think that it really happened to you when it happened to you?
You know what I listen? Yeah. I listen the tone of voice more time. That I take a program, them, you know, the tone of his voice. And what I get to understand from him, if he meet up on a man or anybody in a smart place, he will do the same thing that happened to him.
So you believe that he was actually raped by those 3 gunmen?
You know, hear the man say, him a go to him woman and him pitney. And him feels he rob the man, them a go rob him. But when he realize the man, them a touch him smartly. And I say, right here, so me a go take it now.
They in a feel say, him does that, you know, some people like myself, I think him did a call for just get a hype and make mischief. You don't believe so? You believe that really happened to him?
Listen, and as from today, mark it and study it. You see, anytime it happen to them for real, then give you a break when them attack. Then take break. Then voice change. Then countenance everything.
Okay.
Have a difference. So notice it from today and you will find out we are going for real. The man never say how much you will try and what have you and really so he wants to tell you say from that happened to him at that him I do because plenty of them you know when it happened to them that way they you know they take revenge at it.
What you mean? When
it happened to them that way, then try at all time to get a fresh thing.
Okay, so you're saying that people who suffer those type of abuse end up perpetrating that same abuse against other people in a kind of way like it happened to me, so it happened to other people.
Right, in the violence way. Which way from I was small, I hear about them, I hear about the human side. So it's not just 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
But normally it used to be people who rich. And has gone to certain things where them will and panel where they might will them people that say them will themselves.
Well, you said normally it was rich people, it's only rich people engaged in a kind the gay thing, the homosexual thing, the lesbian thing and so.
Listen, man. Where them do with it, right? Them will themselves over to certain demons possess. So them feel so when them go that way, then we get rich and hold them riches.
Okay.
So now you find that the poorer class and the little, just like what the lady said, the little younger one then come up and in it and them start to flight and boast. Those people never used to boast about it.
Okay.
They keep it under cover for them private and confidential use. But guess what happened, you know? You see, let me tell you something, you know. Sometimes it might sound stupid, you know, but look into it. I listen to your program. I listen to Barrington. I listen to where you were coming from. And, you know, and what I listen for is to get knowledge and see what is going on. When I want to come and I call you and I talk and say, Ray, when I tell lie, me know, me switch to another station.
Yeah.
Come, you know, see, I lie that person I tell.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying now, Whether we want listen, yes or no. We better listen, and who say them are Christian, listen we are going and clean up their life. That's when certain things face them, then can disconnect you out of them way, because whether we know it yes or no, this earth are going to refurnish, and it's not going to refurnish with so good people.
Okay.
It's not going to refurnish with so gunman. It's not going to refurnish with all kind of different something. It is going to refurnish with bad and good, young and old.
All right. Blessings and respect for them reasoning there, yeah?
All right, dear.
All right, you take care. I shall talk about the things that... Yo, this coming. This just coming. Shooting this Raga. A well-known security company has a client who keeps a gay party every Friday night. This client is willing to pay double the rate, but only wants male security guards to work with them. Raga, I read it on my phone. Raga, about 8 guards get fired already because the guards them say them not working at Brokeback Mountain. Hey, anybody who live in Jamaica say them bored every day. Uno on board. To the phone line, we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good evening, Raga. How you doing?
Blessings and respect.
Raga, let me tell you something now. You never stay along with somebody so long, you know.
No. With all due respect, don't tell me off for running.
No,
you see when me stay along with somebody, me know what me doing.
Phone and money, man.
Me know what me doing. Okay, all right.
All you do.
Why me there put us a whole it?
Look here now. This gay thing and this lesbian thing.
Mm-hmm.
Raga, me try to understand it, and me can't understand it. Me have 63. You can't help me understand it.
Well, I can't help you, but I am not gay, so I can't speak authoritatively upon it. But I can't help you in any way I can from a knowledge standpoint.
That's why me have to listen. Me listen to this, you know.
Yeah.
Because you see, first me I listen to it. Me learn a lot of things, you know. I mean, me never know say at this we reach in the world or in a Jamaica or whatever. With these kind of things. Because me remember when me a grow and people was those type of people. Because it never so prevalent.
Right.
But people used to undercover.
Okay.
You understand? Because me a big woman now, you know.
Yeah.
And when me a hear it now, me a say, me just cannot understand it. Me no know. Me no know. Me can't understand it.
Why you can't understand? Okay, why you can't understand? Because how it get open?
Yes, and woman to woman and man to man. Me can't understand.
No, you just can't understand how them cannot do them things then.
Right.
Okay.
Because me as a person over the years, a pure man me deal with from me young and things and me no know, me can't, me no
well,
know.
I am not an authority on the matter for obvious reasons, but what I'm saying is, them will say the same thing to you know. Them will say them cannot just, the woman will say them can't see themselves with a man. A gay man will say him just can't see himself with a woman. You see the same way how you can't, or you as a woman can't see yourself with another woman, a straight man to your link. Are the same way them
you know why I say so? Because
something in them with them say as woman them can't see themselves with a man.
Listen.
Yeah.
I grew up in the system to say, well, a man and woman.
Right.
So that's why I cannot understand it.
So you're one of them making the arguments that it is natural for man and woman to be together and not woman and man and man. Okay.
Yes.
You advance the argument, so you can't understand how somebody will go against what you perceive to be that natural order, right?
Yeah, because that's the way you grow up, you know.
Yeah.
And that's the way your bond comes see. Yeah. And that to me,
yeah,
as me feel so I saw it for steer.
But real quickly before you go now, so BS man where that show you expose and I make you really know what's going on there right now. What you think what state we in now as a nation with respect to homosexuality and lesbianism? What you think?
Boy, Raga, me name me shock.
You're shocked. You're shocked with the things them we are going out there.
Me shock.
You see some people are do the things them do.
That's why me have to tune in because you see tune me not go nowhere.
Yeah.
Me not know. Me listen to Nationwide right through. That's what I'm my little comfort.
Yeah.
You understand?
Now say a word, man. Blessing.
Right. But me can't understand it. Me don't know. Me shocked. When me hear it's like it a shock me.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to tell you the shock when it reach people. Some people say, Lord God, man, take off this no Raga.
No.
This and that. I mean, I say, no. On a better, whether or not you're going to condemn it or whether or not you just learn about it or whatever, you need to know what going on out there.
Me I listen now and me I say, Jesus Christ, how it is.
See it there?
All right.
I'm not sitting the blessings here.
Yes.
Manners and respect indeed. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me believe the guy will call yesterday. So I'm gonna think him out. Me believe the guy will call yesterday.
You believe the guy will call yesterday said that he was actually raped by 3 gunmen?
Yeah, me believe. Me not think him myself such a dry lie. Because me a 16-year-old, right?
How old are you?
16.
16,
Yeah, and since this year me start, since January.
Since this year you start what? Are you gay?
Yeah, and I rape me, he get raped.
Wait, and I rape you, they get raped?
Yeah.
Well, on, you were... Okay. If you don't mind, are you okay to tell us about your rape? But you scored doing it, you scored,
no.
No, you don't want to talk about it?
No, alright. Sometimes I think I'm comfortable being gay, right?
Sometimes you don't feel comfortable being gay?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, like sometimes I eat myself or sometimes I really eat them and so, but me feel say, cause me like woman, you know. Me like woman, cause me usually do woman. But a long time since this year, I'm not go to no woman. And then something about it.
So but if you're 16 now, what age you did start do woman?
14.
14. And then, and you say you like woman, you didn't like it when you do woman?
Yeah, but I'm lesbian, like lesbian usually do.
What? Oh, so the woman them what you usually do when you're 14, them are lesbian?
Yeah.
But you know easy. You know, so the woman them you used to sleep with them woman so them are really bisexual then, but
yeah, them like woman.
But them woman they know what at the time them lesbian woman them love to sleep with homosexual man?
Yeah.
Oh, Papa Jesus, you know, yes, I mix up get that, you know. So yeah, have some woman out that them are lesbian, but them they like the macho man, then they love like gay man and you know, like man like you, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
So and then yeah, go on.
Yeah, me believe like this I go so legalized. Like some of them I gonna make it legalized. Cause the young one them we are coming out now, them not really business now. Cause them load up with them story. And yeah, them want everybody know. Yeah, like one of my friends with me called Titus coming to bite us.
Well, what you say? One of your what?
One of my friends who we call Titus coming to bite us.
No, what you call her?
Titus coming to bite us.
Titus coming to bite us?
Yeah.
What is... If I laugh, I went up Nationwide carpet. She named Titus coming to bite us.
Yeah, is that him, but we call her she.
Is a man, but you call her she. Okay, yeah, go on top.
Because she play a woman role, like, yeah, because one night, I take one JTC bus, but she go to the back of the bus, right? And some boy come up on the bus, say, picture, we look picture, me, I say, yes, he judgment.
Well, the boy, they come on and walk careful. Remember say the parade, so, you know? So the boy,
because when they come on, them look bitter, so me, I say, I pay judgment.
Well, them look bitter.
Yeah.
So, some bitter boy. Yeah.
Yeah, so, and she get the back of the bus and them gone at the back of the bus. So one of our Titus coming to bite us and the eyelash them at the road back because she have a false eyelash. And so rather than not really care because them come on the road and them tell them story.
Yeah.
And them go on after someone and go on like woman and you know, after something about me no know because like for me come out, right? Me I kinda keep stay far from them. And so, because me, sister, when me up on the road with them, I get real. And when me up on the road with them, I play shot me, I get tear bullies. And so, because when me want to war, I don't really get...
No, I know we want people to understand, because there are people listening abroad who probably, when they say bullet, when nobody believes say you literally I get bullet, but there is a way when somebody a burn out something or condemn something, them say bullet, and at that, it's like the people, them are down here and think, anytime you walk with your gay friend, them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So me kind of stay far from them. Come say like with them, and them somebody I mean really like. Me I say me want to try to go back to woman, and them somebody. But cause from me this right, every guy like when me talk to me find out that my user and them me don't know. Cause I talk to politician, me talk to teacher, after that teacher.
Well on. You say since you come out and gay, right? Because you say you were raped by a man, obviously. And you say since you come out. And think, all of the man them who you there with, them are user. You say you talk to politician and teacher?
Yeah, soldier and doctor and them stuff. Yeah.
Soldier and doctor?
Yeah, when I think them could help me, right? Them don't want nobody to help. Them just use people and them stuff there. So me not really in that. Some of the talk to them and kind of like stay by myself. And kind of make my family kind of take care of me now. Because... Yeah, because me think to me I have stuff from a long time. Because from me I go basic school, I'm going to remember.
Yeah.
You have some guy when I hear usually play around me.
Yeah.
And after that spoke me, like, me kind of like it. And then somebody still like...
No, you say, Frank, well, Frank, you go basic school, you did have some man where you usually play with you a certain way. Some sexual way.
Yeah, I like when I tell some people...
So when them basic school, what age you attack? Like, what age?
About 3, so them usually, I'm never like...
So from you're a 3-year-old boy, you didn't have some man abuse you and abuse you sexually?
Yeah.
So we're there that you say, some terrible, nasty, dirty man that did abuse you and all them things and that them things that support obviously have an impact on you right now, don't it?
Yeah, because when I tell some people, them say because I'm cute, because I'm pretty, that's why them do.
Oh, you're cute and you're pretty. Why did you're not easy, you're not easy. When you say you're cute and you're pretty.
Yeah, because like, when I'm on the road, I remember on the road, people, I look my guy, I look me right, because them say, yeah, you're cute, I like your body, after the song.
So a whole heap of man, I look you then, them like for at you up and all that sitting there, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, when you made it downtown, I want guy, bigger and favor bigger, him come to me and say,
Well on, in big and what?
In big and favor beer, me know, from them, after some meeting say, if we are going to try it and go in it would have been fun and then something there.
Yeah.
Until, no, it never like work with it. Like, one night, alright, me live a water house, right?
A water house you live?
Yeah, and one night, me a walk, a 2 guy, they read me, and like, them like thugs, them were like thugs and half of the something. So, he did I never really like it, until... I never tell nobody at time, never tell my family.
Well on. You say what you live on one night you're like 2 gangsters that can move like thugs. In other words, them no move effeminate, them no go on like woman. You don't never think to them gear a gangster them, and them 2 gangsters and they rape you say.
Yeah. I never tell nobody till me kind of behave some way.
Yeah.
And then somebody until like we end up on the road, my family end up cooking out and stuff. Me end up on the road and then till this guy me until me end up a gay house.
You end up away?
I want gay house.
I want gay house, yeah.
Yeah, until that now, but everybody come there to see me and want me because they must like in pretty something to me. Like, and them, when them could get me, they mix up my name after something they leave me, start to this boy and I'm politics. And so, me work at Aston when the earthquake hit 80. Me do volunteer work there, and meet this guy, and then we talk about something. And we go a female out of Stony Hill.
Up at Stony Hill? Females up at Stony Hill?
Yeah.
I want a big house?
Yeah, one big house, but other people that we are so, you know.
When you say, and when you say we are so mean you're gay, right?
Yeah,
okay.
Child.
Them a sport and them a what? What the other term?
Child.
Them a child. Them a the Tambourine. You said them a sport and them a child.
Yeah.
Them a
with us we are children.
You're children. Them a sport, them a child. Them a so. Them a so. Well, and they do a move and must right. They say we are going to just well a quick break and forward here.
Alright.
We are forward.
A mix up and blend that time.
I want to call and talk up the things them.
And we go back to a caller, you know. Yes, caller.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, rather like in this now, some of them have the money, but the money not really in it for true. So me at 16, so me I say I'm gonna stay off of the road now, and kind of like me I look for go back in a school,
right?
And then so like me I say like, alright, in other life here it's battering, you know, when you have an education, and you have a skill and you can't do nothing, man I go use you, batter you and beat you after that something, and then so me say me I go to school and try to leave out the man thing, yeah, to me this kind of like me not lucky in this, alright.
What you mean? You're not lucky. You're not lucky in a gay thing, then. You're not lucky in a.
No.
Okay.
No, me not lucky in a. Come me didn't say me want somebody with cute and like we have money and we can mind me, and then so but me can't find him. So me, I mean, I go like come me find a in a really safe look. People, I mean, I go look nobody like.
Well, is it the case that you want to leave homosexuality because you can't find a cute person for mind you, or is it that you want to leave because you think you're not gay?
I don't know. Yeah, because I can't find the person. I can't find the right person, right?
Okay, but it sounds to me like you're saying you will still be gay, but you're going low because you can't find the right person, but you'll still be gay. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I feel so. Like until me can get my education, like those think about that first.
Okay.
And then somebody come in young, right? Because alright, me don't think it can come out of me, right? Because alright.
Well, because earlier on you did say you don't want to go back to woman, but right now you're saying you don't think the gay thing can ever come out of you, really?
No,
right,
but me love woman, me like woman really, me like them for the something.
Yeah.
And so, because, alright, if I go on the road, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to see a guy will look bubbling, right? Yeah, me, I say, the child there after that something. So, I think he can come out of me, right?
Okay.
I have what if away, so, I don't know. Alright, yesterday me, I come from town, I come up, and one girl sit inside of me, I look on her hand, I say she have a virgin band. So, I say, virgin band, mama. And she said, I'm going to show her my own. So, like, yeah, just look and smile.
And the two of them just kind of connect right away, don't?
Yeah.
Oh,
the virgin band shows that we are so. And all that so.
Okay. So it's like a code band where I couldn't know. So now
I have the ring. So Mrs. Straightman and I ring, but me not entertain them. And nobody come stab me off.
What you say about the straight man in a ring? What?
The straight man in the ring, them in the gay ring, them.
Yeah.
And so, but me not entertain them. Come nobody come stab me off. So me not really look people kind of really safe. Something. Yeah, because when I meet up on the road and one other boy, me not really talk to him. Even I look one other boy, you know. I say one only man run in though, and him run comes down up, which are we and some other guy.
Yeah.
Which are we there, but when they're in comedians and people are running down, but we think up and foot them, come so we are struggling to take up our stone them and all that stuff, you know.
Yeah.
So we get a big jeep drive come there, after that some whole man run out, and me don't know if them all nobody else, but me get roll. And me get battering because of him when me nearly
you get all I get battering at end up hospital.
Yeah, because
when you say battering, all them batter you.
Them beat me in my head and after that and one of them nearly dead.
Then why them bust up your head or them beat you with the Anna them abuse board hour.
Them Anna and them foot. If them they have any weapon rather they need that day.
I did you that day. So them beat you bad and mash you up.
Yeah, and so me just keep a very calm. My mother find out, you know. And so that's something so. Alright, because when media was out, this guy one bad man him see me and say, oh, him want to come, he go dance here already, you know.
Yeah.
And then him see me and say, man, come call me. And me say, me now go away. And if you go to the dance, you have to do something. And that's something if you don't read them, I go beat you or then kill you. So I say, now go away. But one bad guy see me and want me. And so that's something in that text it from me, but I know how him find me yard. So me say, I start me and so alright, me and him start talk.
You and the bad boy end up start talk?
Yeah, Raga, and when men start talking now, one cross is because when men start stop all money, things stop I'm of me answer the some me can't go nowhere. Answer the some me after the him of him stick on palm me like tattoo. Answer the could go nowhere.
Stick on palm like tattoo.
Yeah, him say me can't go nowhere. Come to kill me. I go look at other people. And some couldn't even go look.
Well, that the gunman bad boy I tell you.
Yeah.
So you and him did start do the things them then?
Yeah, and every minute Peel lick him let me answer the some. And so till one time him fight me over sex. Because the stream never want to give me, come in a lie. Because sometimes I like it. Or sometimes I feel good, come here wonder like something were wrong. And sometimes I feel like...
Careful not giving the details this here upon the radio. But you say sometimes you don't like it and what?
Yeah, but every minute him wants it. I'm saying no. And then him start with me, I got something. So the show me never want to give me, I mean I avoid him. Can maybe end up go where one of my friends stay. Him go tell my family, go tell my family say me and him there. And so that's something. Tell one of my family sign out. In the end up dead. Somebody cannot glad.
Well, he end up dead. He end up dead.
Yeah, then they kill him.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Then
tell me something before you go. We have a couple calls before you cut. But before you go, like a whole heap of big shot people, gear and why, like you say, you cute and you pretty. A whole heap of big shot people, they with like young boy like you.
Yeah, I'll whole heap of artists. You know what artists and so yeah.
What artists?
Yeah, me know what artists and so we have so.
Artists where we would have never known, say, I saw them do the things, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. And like why? And why other profession them are going with the things?
Which other I don't know. You have one heap of people, like, one heap of them.
You need a politician and doctor and soldier. You have soldier.
Yeah, one heap of them and a soldier.
Okay, so you don't say you not think it will ever come out of you, but you just stay away from people who are use you and all them something, don't it?
Yeah.
And you have to start out your education now and do your thing and whatever. Yeah. And you say you love woman too, but you always end up asleep with lesbian woman, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Papa.
All right.
Yeah, man. All right. Bless up there. We Michelle, hey, upon the ground, Michelle, there over here. Michelle, why you laugh? So what?
Him, no pun intended, but he's funny.
Okay.
No, animal. Yeah.
He might talk some things.
Yeah, man. He might talk of the things, but for 16, him got through it.
Yeah, for real. No.
Him got through it.
No, but but they are laugh and thing, I don't want it to escape, and be reminded, this youth just say a 3-year-old in a basic school. Mm-hmm. You have man abuse him. You understand? When he's a 3-year-old young boy in a basic school, you have some dirty nasty man out there abuse him and thing. That if it's one fundamental thing I learned in my discipline, my disciplines, psychology and anthropology, whatever you experience never leaves you. Cumulatively, everything come together and it have an impact on what you end up being. Now, in the later years, you still have choices. Because enough people go through certain things and them never go certain way, but them make certain choices. All right. But what may I say? If a 3-year-old, he might look a boy at a 3-year-old and them people that do sexual, man that do sexual thing to him at 3-year-old and all them thing that whatever, this and that. No one I'm in a position where I'm in a right and up. Me right? Eh?
No, man, there's some truth to it.
Listen to me, people. Wanna protect, wanna pitney, and not take no check from nobody out there. Whether boy pitney or girl pitney, you understand? I remember, Dr. Claudette Crawford Brown at the university, social work can tell, and several other scholars in social science can tell, most of the time, enough time them thing I go on is people who people know
family,
and relatives.
Close.
Relatives and people who you know and who you think could have never I gonna do them something, and them I do the things them to look at pity them and whatever. And not for pity them can't remember when them things happen to them, but what happened to them still have an impact on them. Right? Because I'm sure you have some people that listen now and probably I remember a couple of things where somebody do to them or when them the young or when them are 5 or when them are 8 or whatever, and I said, Chuck, that don't have nothing to do. But these things work in your unconscious, in your subconscious and all them things there. You understand? I can't look at him now. 3-year-old basic school. And them do the things them to him.
13 years later.
Why? And him, you hear him at 16-year-old, you hear him thinking, no, wagwan, and whatever this and that.
Sound like a trying youth, though. Hold the faith.
But him say, people are use him.
Yeah.
So every man him there with the man, they use him, and I just do things and I flip-flop him all about the place and whatever. You understand? So him say my bunks it different now, I deal with him education and thing and whatever. And we wish, you sort out him thing and see what can work out in a positive sense. Yo, bunks and next call, bunks and next call, It's an uncomfortable topic for many, but we have to deal with these things. Here we go. Good afternoon, hello.
Hi, Mr. Stewart.
Yes, good afternoon. I'm there,
Okay, this does not affect you, but let he who has not sinned cast the first stone, okay? And other persons who are listening,
right?
Never you judge someone about their lifestyle.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
Now, I do believe that young man, but the point that he said about lesbian girls are having sex with gay men, that's totally lie. That is totally lie, Raga.
Wait, but no, hold on. Why you going to say, but is him attack?
All right, from my experience,
yeah,
over 10 years now, I have not seen that.
Oh, your experience over 10 years as what or in what?
I am bisexual, Ragashanti.
You're bisexual, okay. And you're saying over 10 years, you've never seen a bisexual girl sleep with a gay man?
No. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but it's not that popular, Raga.
Okay.
That's popular.
Okay.
You get me?
Okay.
And minister that part about the gay thing and whatever. Jamaica will never accept it, in my person.
Wait, what? Okay, hello?
Ragashanti, at 10 seconds me have.
Hold on. Rude. Quick. Give me a next call in the meantime. Quick. Time ago. Hello? Oh, she gone?
Hello.
Oh, you don't get her number? Oh, huh? Lord. Okay, no. Hello, yes.
Hey, yes. What, Mr. Raga?
But they are family.
You really want to talk about this street that troubling him? You hear me?
The lady want to do that talk about what?
The Duppy.
Which one? Which call you talk about?
The lady want to talk about this street that troubling him.
Okay, go on talk.
Hey, me know a man can fix him up,
You know a man can fix. Wait, which one I call him you refer to?
Them by one man. But me know a man can do it.
When she called? Today or yesterday?
Today.
Remember what you say? You know somebody who can fix her up?
Yeah.
Like what? Like a Wobia man?
Wobia man. Man, you never work there.
Eh?
Man, you never work there.
Me no hear you say.
Man, you do them the work, they can't do it.
Or somebody will do them the work there?
No, the man do them the work. Man, you can't do it and no, the man them.
Okay, I know what man them. What you call them?
You call them planter or catch Duppy.
You call them what?
You can catch Duppy or plant them, man know the man.
Okay, they can catch Duppy or plant the Duppy them?
Yeah.
When you plant the Duppy, what you really do to the Duppy? You plant the Duppy at one spot, but then can't move?
Yeah.
Oh, so there's a way for plant a Duppy?
No, different ways.
Okay, I make the Duppy turn in a one spot, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and you say you know somebody who can help her, so?
Yeah.
So what are you proposing now then?
Huh?
What you want to do? You want to link her with the information?
Yeah.
Well, we don't give people numbers here. We don't even hold people numbers unless they tell us, So we have no way of contacting her now.
Okay then.
Yeah? But if she call back and she say, you know, whatever, you can leave your number with Ruth half the year, yeah?
All right. Yeah.
All right. Ruth, take your number half the year, and if the lady call back and say she want his recommendation of somebody who can plant the Duppy, we will just pass on the information. All right.
Them they got all put the Duppy in.
I don't want to laugh, because you know what they say when I talk to people, and you know this when I talk to people a lot of time, and them believe in something, and I don't necessarily believe in it. I just flow with them. My goal is to get out the mix up. Here we go. Good afternoon. Yeah, we're about 5 more minutes. Well, yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
You hearing me?
Yeah, man.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
You see the girl I called 10 seconds ago? About lesbian no sleep with gay?
Yeah.
Me know lesbian.
You mean bisexual girl? Bisexual?
No,
Yeah.
straight dyke girl.
Yeah.
We sleep with gay man.
You know why there are kind of contradictions. You make work with it. You're saying you know straight dyke lesbian girls who sleep with gay man. Hello? Hello? I call her. She got okay. But that is what she's saying. So you see it? One person call her and say she now 10 years now and she don't know of any bisexual woman who sleep with gay man. Somebody call back and say she know a lesbian girl who sleep with gay man. The things that might happen out there. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Dogwan.
They are wallet, you know.
Long time listener, first time caller.
All right.
I have two mix-ups for you. One about me. Tell them about me still, but one, the first one about the most people who don't like you, Raga.
All right.
Raga, me know the most man who don't like you. I couldn't listen to you in peace, Raga. If I did the money yard and you on the radio, if you see my come, my ear my come, I have to change it and turn it off. I can't make you know that you session did depend, Raga. Once the sign for the man is nobody, Raga. Now for them to go and them boys and up in a big them, Raga. Now for them also, now for them up here rent and can't maintain your rent.
Oh. So, that situation him did, you know?
Yeah, Raga.
Okay.
They have a big van or something and I film them, you know. Like a quit come take back the van. I mean, the bank come take back the van.
Oh, the bank. Okay.
Yeah, come take back the van and bear them something that I'm seeing, Raga.
But nothing wrong with that. Somebody cannot like me and don't like my program, but probably go through hard times and things and
no,
whatever.
but Raga, them for stop going like, and them for real and stop going like. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand what you say. All right.
And them better than people and all of them something there.
All right then. But send you on your mix up quick. We only about 2 minutes or so. Yeah. Yeah, give me the other mix up quick. We only about 2 minutes or so.
All right, Raga.
Yeah.
My boys, you know?
Yeah. You're bisexual.
Yeah.
Okay.
Raga, man, I never believe this still now, but one time, I used to have this, but I said Duppy, one female Duppy, used to go on with things with me in my sleep, Raga.
A female Duppy used to sort you out?
Yeah.
A female Duppy used to sort you out?
Yeah, Raga.
Tell me about it, quick.
Raga, like a night time, we got bed and so.
Yeah, but remember, say you can't say certain things on the radio, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, go on talking.
When we wake up, Raga, wake up a papa from them something there. Okay. And I can tell, say a Duppy, and I can know say a female and so.
How you know it's a female Duppy and not a man Duppy? What if it was Bob Marley? What if it was Bob Marley?
No.
How you know it's a female Duppy?
But no, say a female, like in your dream, like your dream see to happen, Raga. Yeah, like in your dream to certain things, like your dream see a people better end up people better and so.
Right.
Same thing.
Okay. So you're sure? Yeah, so you are saying a female Duppy sat you out, right?
Yeah.
On more than one occasion?
Enough time, Raga. You know, oh, I get rid of Duppy. My mother Christian, and she went on my lifestyle and thing.
Right.
I'm going to go to a crusade at church.
Yeah.
And the pastor called me in one corner and said, 6 demons upon me. And prays for me. And from that, Raga, I have dream back to the Duppy again.
The pastor called you in one corner and tell us a sex demon Duppy upon you and pray for you. So the pastor delivered you from the lesbian Duppy. Where did that take set upon you?
Yes, Raga.
Papa Jesus, I think. So people need to know, as far as you are concerned, you have gay Duppy out there.
Yes, Raga, I would have said that.
Then what I know. So if you have lesbian Duppy out there, then you must have homosexual Duppy out there, though. You have man Duppy where gay out there, though.
Yeah, Raga, I say, I believe in my God still in the community, Christian and everything, you know. So all them something them believe in them.
So what I know. So if you have a lesbian Duppy where did I sort you out, then it follows then that you have some male homosexual Duppy I sort out man enough for them sleep to, don't it?
Could be, Raga,
yeah. Could be. Okay.
All straight people, too.
Okay. All right, then. Listen, now we have to go here now, here.
All right, Raga.
But you take care and thing, all
right?
So, hey.
Yeah.
No, man. Blessing, man. Take care, here. Now, with all due respect, you know, it's sticky upon the man them out there. It's sticky upon the man them out there, right? Because, think about it. there is no way you can't sleep as a man. If you say you're going to sleep in that position, you have to avoid the geared up in them. Right? Anywhere you sleep, the geared up in them can violate. You understand? If you sleep on your back, them can violate. If you sleep on your belly, they must say, yes, man. And they say, if you sleep on your side, I'm saying, oh, God. So my suggestion too, no, is to get some anti-Duppy treatment. Why laugh at that? Only in Jamaica to rot it. Go talk to somebody and think because one and a sleep on the car really protect yourself. And if you have geared Duppy out there, you understand? And do the things then no need for be careful and think. Draw from the Bible, put the Bible on the bed and all them things. Now he's have to gear Duppy them if you don't know anything.